Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a timer on your Toshiba 32WA2363DG. In order to set a timer, go to the settings, then go to device preferences. Now go to timer, then you'll find power on time type and power off time type. The type is either on or once, which means if it's on, then it'll just do it every day. It'll every day turn on the TV at a certain time, and once will just do it once. I'll set it to on, then auto power on time can be like, for example, let's say 20. No, it doesn't make sense at all. I think I'll set it to maybe 8. And yeah, I actually wanted to change the minutes too. So you'll need to first set the hour, then go to the right to start changing minutes, and I will set it to equal 8, but I need to go all the way up. Let's go there. Okay. Now click on OK button. You can also do a power off time type. I'll also set it to on and set the auto power off to like 20, which is 8 p.m. and that's about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.